All right, as a content creator, we use these a lot. So put it there, put in your mirror. So if you're ever going to do content creating, I use a lot of the toothpaste, toothbrushes, and so forth. I like to do stuff like that online, face to face with everybody. All right, today we're going to bring a mag holder for your phone. And this has a magnetic holder here, if you guys can see that. It comes with a suction cup. They give you additional stuff. So if your card's not flat enough or it doesn't have any good suction, you can always place one of these. They give you a double-sided adhesives and see-through ones that you could replace. Wipes to clean it out. So the way it works is very simple. You want to make sure you get a nice surface in there. Once you clean it up, twist it. This thing's it's movable, adjustable anywhere you want, right? You want to grab your phone. Look at that, perfect fit on your phone. So if you're an Uber driver or Uber Eats or anything that you want to have, if you don't have a navigation system, this is a perfect way to actually take a look at it. So you take off your phone, all right? Once you want to remove it, look at this. Take it off, pick it up from here, and that's it. So this thing works on any surface that's flat. Just make sure if it's too dusty, clean it up. You can wash it, all right? It's very simple to wash, very simple to use. And I like that it's adjustable. If you guys can see, both of them are adjustable. And it's simple. It's just a twist, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So I like the setup. I'm gonna show you guys other surfaces I could hang on to. You say, where else can you do this? When I'm doing content creating, just make sure you lock it in place. Lock it in, twist it, and lock it in place. And like this angle, if you're doing blogging or talking to the camera, you can do it from any direction. If you want, unlock it, take it out, lock it in place, get your content creating ready. And you could be talking about a car fixture just like that. So adjust the camera. Could be talking about your interior of your car. Very simple with this adjustment. Taking it off, it's a matter of just twisting it off. just a matter of twisting it off. It just flew off, but this is simple. You can always use a suction cup for anything. So this item is not just for your car, but I personally use it for content creating. So if you guys are looking for something like this, hope you guys enjoyed the video.